Hey, what's up guys, my name is Boss6David. Welcome to another quick tutorial on Steam. Today I'll show you how to see some hidden games from your library. So let's hide few more. I will hide GTA 5, hidden, okay, Terraria, let's hide this also. And I want one more game random. Let's hide the Goat Simulator. Oh man, how much I played that game. So, to view the hidden list of your games from your library, you will have to go to the top left corner. You have Steam, View, Friends, Games, Help, but you will have to press on View. After that, you will have a button, Hidden Games, and you can see every game that you hidden in the past. You can find here the list. Now let's go on our profile just by curiosity. I will go to Games, because I hidden my 7 Days to Die. Let's search 7 Days. Okay, I can find it. What about GTA 5? It's Grand Theft Auto. Okay, found it. So it will hide just the games you have on the library, not the list from your profile. Anyway, let's see how can we unhide them so they will appear on our library, Steam library. As I told you, you have to go to View, Hidden Games, and here you have the list. Hidden, press on that, and right click the game you want to remove from the hidden list and remove from hidden. The same with all of them. Let's remove all of them, and I want to search them into my library after that. So we have Terraria, one more to go, and The Witcher 3. Let's remove that also from the hidden list. Let's go to our library and search for Grand Theft Auto 5. See that? The Witcher, I see that. What else was Goat Simulator? Okay, now you can see all the games that we removed from the hidden list. Now guys, I really hope I helped you with this quick tutorial. If you found this video helpful and help you, don't forget to thumbs up the video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more guides and tips and tricks. I want to wish you one more thing. Have the greatest day you can have.